Hi guys, my name is Ronaldo Mbagos, all the way from South Africa, big pageant fan. So I'm going to be talking all things about Miss SA 2020. So the date for Miss South Africa 2020 has not been announced as yet. And what I'm thinking is that the national directors for Miss Universe, obviously Miss Universe on its own, has given a go-ahead to all national pageants who normally compete at Miss Universe to send their first runner-ups at Miss Universe. So I'm thinking, should we not have Miss South Africa 2020, what's going to happen to us? Considering that we've got someone who's from South Africa who won Miss Universe last year, Sozibini. So one thing that I've been asking myself is, are we going to be sending Sashali Olivier, who's our reigning queen for Miss SA? I'm not sure. So keep in mind that Sashali Olivier competed at Miss World last year and she placed the top 40. So I'm not sure, but Sashali Olivier has a very good advocacy. Everything about her is spot on. She speaks all things about GBV, and I think she's gonna place higher should she compete at Miss Universe 2020. But considering that, if Miss SA organization would go back to the drawing board and choose anyone who was in the top 5 last year for Miss SA, I was asking myself, who do you think we would choose? Considering that we had like a very strong top 5 last year. Your Nompilo Maduna, Eloise van der Westhuizen, Sashali Olivier Zozibini Tunzi, and Hot Hearts Oditele. My top 2 on that top 5, if it was not for Sashali Olivier, who we're gonna send at Miss Universe, should then be known Miss SA 2020, I would definitely choose Hot Hearts Oditele. I feel like this woman has a very good advocacy when she speaks all things about self-acceptance, because there are a lot of women out there who have never accepted their bed marks, but look at Hot Hearts entering the for Miss SA for the first time and placing a top 5. So I think this woman, obviously her face screams the universe and she's very natural. That's what I like about her. If we're not to send Hot Hearts, so we're to send Eloise van der Westhuizen, obviously she's a great body, a great walk. I'm not sure about her advocacy. I'm not sure where she stands, of which I think it's something that she might need to work on, considering that we've got like strong countries who have already crowned their queens for Miss Universe 2020. Colombia, your Indonesia, your Panama, your India can speak. So a queen that is going to be crowned now has like big shoes to fill, considering that we've placed it in the top 3 on the past 3 years at Miss Universe, with Demi Lee winning Miss Universe 2017, with Tamarine Green being the first runner-up to Catriona, and then last year with Zozibini Tunzi winning Miss Universe. So I think a woman who's going to be Miss SA 2020 has like big shoes to fill, and obviously you know the pressure that this woman is going to face, considering that Gazini has faced so much pressure last year from the Philippines. But she did a very good job, considering that we had like a strong batch of Miss Universe contestants last year. Gazini placing a top 20 is like an achievement of its own. So I think the woman who's going to be crowned Miss SA 2020 has big shoes to fill. So tell me on the comment section, what do you think about Miss SA 2020? Should we have it, or should we send Sashali, or should we go back to the drawing board, or select any queen on the top 5 that we had last year, or should we have like a panel of judges? Because considering that we've got a lot of restrictions with regards to like lockdown, a lot of government in different countries have like implemented lockdown, so we can't have any event at the moment. So I'm not sure if we're gonna have Miss Universe this year, or we're gonna have it early next year like Miss Universe 2016. I don't know. But tell me what you think. Who should we crown Miss SA? Should you not have Miss SA 2020? Right?